Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be telling you 5 fun facts about stars. And some of these facts on this list might surprise you, so be sure to watch through the end. Number 1 is that every star you see in the night sky is brighter than the sun. Now this is a very interesting fact because if you didn't know, well you should know this, but the sun is a very bright star. And that's why you can see its light from Earth, even though it's hundreds of millions of miles away. And the Earth is like smaller. Oh, and every star's bigger as well, so that's also pretty fascinating. And also the sun's like pretty big, so stars that are even bigger are just very weird. Next fact is that blue stars are hotter than red stars. Now, this fact is my favorite because when you think of it, red usually means fire, and fire is really hot. And when you think of blue things, you think of ice and water, which are cold and not hot. So it's pretty interesting how blue stars are actually hotter than red stars, which are supposed to be more hotter in my opinion. The next fact is that there are no green stars. Now this is a very weird fact because there are other color of stars but not green ones. And I don't know exactly for sure why there isn't any green stars, but I think the main reason of why isn't any is because of the lighting and the heat as well. So it can't produce any green light because of heat. Now, I don't know exactly if this is right. You gotta search it up a bit, but that's what goes on in my opinion. So in our universe, which is infinite, there ain't any green stars. The next red fact is that on a good night, you can see 20 quadrillion miles away. And 20 quadrillion is a lot. It's like really big, and it's actually hard to imagine how far it is. But when you look at the sky, it's also like a few million billion miles. So 20 quadrillion is still a lot, how far you can see with the naked eye. The next fact is that the average star is 5 billion years old. Now, 5 billion might not seem like that long of a time in the universe's time, but it is still quite old. And most of us will probably not be able to live to 5 billion years old. Also, the Earth is like 4.5 billion years old. If you didn't see my other video, check that out and it'll explain this. But it's pretty fascinating how stars are this old in our vast universe. And that'll be it for today. I hope you enjoyed and liked the video, and be sure to give it a thumbs up so I'll be inspired to make more. Thanks and have a good day.